Thinking about the Word, John 8:45 and Galatians 4:16. And because I tell you the truth, you believe me not. Am I therefore become your enemy because I tell you the truth? One of the most memorable lines from the movie A Few Good Men is, "You can't handle the truth." I'm afraid many people today, as they were in biblical times, are unable to deal with the truth. Jesus said they would not believe him because he told them the truth. In effect, they would rather be lied to. The truth is hard, but it's still the truth. Paul asked if his truthfulness had caused his hearers to become his enemies. Although the truth can create enemies and naysayers, doesn't mean that we should refrain from speaking it, sharing it, and living it. The truth can only be found in Christ, and the truth can make you free, as stated in John 8:32. Today, when the truth is becoming more and more scarce, look to Christ and know the truth. The reward of seeking him and his truth is out of this world.